there, I'm Jordi from JorDinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we're making an Italian lemon cake. This is such a delicious recipe and it tastes just like Italy. Just make this cake and see for yourself. Let's start.
First grate the zest of one big lemon in a bowl. Add 1, 2, 3, 4 eggs to the lemon zest and whisk this together with a hand mixer. When the eggs are mixed, slowly add some normal caster sugar into the mixture while you keep on mixing. Add in some olive oil and whole milk. And squeeze in all the juice from the lemon we zested earlier. It will curdle and split, but that's normal. Mix everything together. Here I have some cottage cheese, but you can also use ricotta. Just use whatever you like more. Put this in the mixer and whisk it together. Now add half of the flour and stir until combined. Add in the baking powder and lastly the rest of the flour. When there are no flour lumps left, pour everything in a prepared tin lined with parchment paper. Bake in a 180 degrees Celsius oven for around 15 minutes. When the 15 minutes have passed, turn off the oven and let the cake sit in the oven for another 10 minutes. This prevents it from collapsing. Let it cool completely. You can see the parchment paper really helping. I forgot to hit the record button, but as you can see I added some powdered sugar. I wanted to show the inside because it looks so good. Enjoy!
And that's it. I want to thank you for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video. Let me know down in the comments what you want to see next and I'll see you in the next one.